This is the kind of display that instantly changes the atmosphere of any room it's placed in. A massive 98-inch 4K touchscreen built to turn presentations, lessons, and meetings into something far more interactive than traditional boards or standard monitors ever could. It's not just about size. It's about creating a workspace where ideas flow, collaboration feels natural, and information becomes more engaging. The moment the screen lights up, the clarity becomes obvious. A full 4K panel stretched across nearly 100 inches delivers sharp visuals with impressive detail. Everything from graphs to high-resolution images to text looks refined and easy to read. Even when you zoom in on small elements, lines stay clean and precise. The viewing angles remain consistent from edge to edge, making it ideal for large classrooms or conference spaces where people sit in different positions. Touch control is one of the biggest strengths here. The board responds instantly, tracking multiple points of contact without delay. Writing feels precise, dragging elements around is smooth, and gestures like zooming and rotating respond just as naturally as they would on a tablet. This speed and accuracy matter when you're presenting live or collaborating with a group. There's no waiting for the screen to catch up. Everything flows in real time. The device runs a dual system setup, giving you the best of both worlds. On one side, Android provides quick access to apps, tools, casting features, and digital whiteboard functions. On the other side, a full Windows system opens the door to advanced software, heavier applications, and deeper work environments. Switching between them is fast and seamless. This adaptability means the board can serve educators, business teams, designers, trainers, and creators without compromise. The built-in whiteboard environment takes collaboration further. Smooth handwriting recognition ensures your notes appear clean, and the board supports importing images, highlighting sections, drawing shapes, and saving everything for later use. No more taking photos of a board or rewriting notes. With a single tap, everything is stored digitally and ready to share with your team or students. Thanks to the internal hardware, a Core i7 processor paired with 8 GB of memory and a 512 GB solid-state drive. Loading apps, switching tools, and running media is fast and efficient. There's little to no lag even during intense tasks. This is essential when the board is being used for long meetings or continuous lessons throughout the day. The performance remains consistent, stable, and reliable. It also shines in digital signage mode. Large 4K visuals become eye-catching displays for entryways, retail spaces, events, and business lobbies. Whether showing advertisements, schedules, announcements, or promotional videos, the content appears bold and professional. The size alone draws attention, but the color accuracy and sharpness elevate the presentation. Connectivity is another strong element. Multiple HDMI inputs, USB ports, network options, screen sharing features, and wireless casting support mean you can connect almost any device with ease. Laptops, tablets, and smartphones integrate smoothly, making it simple to bring in external content without complicated setups. This flexibility is crucial for busy environments where different users rotate throughout the day. The design carries a modern aesthetic. Slim borders give it a clean, minimal look, while the build quality feels solid enough for regular interaction. This is a display made to withstand everyday use, whether in a school, office, studio, or training facility. What makes a product like this so impactful is how it transforms workflow. Teachers get a dynamic teaching tool instead of a static board. Businesses get a workspace where teams can think, build, and edit together. Creators get a giant interactive canvas that supports their ideas. And spaces meant for communication, from presentations to demonstrations, become more engaging, more intuitive, and more visually appealing. For anyone looking to elevate their environment with a large, powerful, and versatile interactive display, this 98-inch smart touchscreen is a remarkable option. More details and purchase links can be found in the description.